Yeah, yeah. Shantanu, can we start now? হ্যাঁ শোনা যাচ্ছে তবে খুব ধীরে
আমি তো শুনতে পাচ্ছি না
You please adjust your camera.
আমি এর থেকে করছি মোবাইল
No, yes, you are audible now. Dr. Chattopadhyay, you are audible. You are mute. Yeah, now it's okay, fine. But please, you just please join only with one, otherwise there will be an echo.
না ঠিক এবার ঠিক আছে এবার অসুবিধা নেই আমি এটা সাউন্ডটা ইউজ করব এখান থেকে দেখব
Okay.
ইকো প্রবলেম নেই দেখুন
No, there's no problem.
হ্যাঁ
Swastik, now start. Swastik. Yeah, please start now.
Okay. Well, a very good afternoon to all of you. I'm Dr. Anirban Panda, an IPC member, and of course, the teaching staff of this college. So today is a very special day for all of us, and particularly for the Department of English. The e-journal of the department Pigments is going to be inaugurated in a short while. And for this event, we are much excited to have with us Professor Gautam Ghoshal, former Professor of English, Department of English, Vishwabharati. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for being with us.
Thank you for inviting me.
Okay. And ladies and gentlemen, you know that for last 2 years, we are facing a tremendous threat to our civilization in terms of corona pandemic. That teeny virus has challenged us in every respect, and our students are not the exception. And we noticed that our students are getting depressed and they have no means of expressing themselves. So what is the way out? The only way out was to create positive vibes among them, and the Department of English, along with IQAC, came up with the idea of this e-journal Pigments. Last year, it was inaugurated by our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir. And this year, we are grateful to Professor Ghoshal for sharing his precious time with us. Sir, we can see that our respected principal, sir, Dr. Shantanu Chattopadhyay, and our dear IQAC coordinator, Dr. Ashok Kumar Agarwal, sir, is here with us. And I can see many of our colleagues and our beloved students have joined. So welcome, friends. And your presence certainly guarantees the success of this event. So without wasting any more time, I would like to invite our principal, sir, for his welcome address. Professor Chattopadhyay, sir, if you please.
Thank you, Anirban. Very good afternoon to you all. Respected Professor Ghoshal, Professor Vishwabharati, respected our IQAC coordinator, Dr. Ashok Kumar Agarwal, our IQAC member friends, and our respected colleagues, and above all, our beloved students. On behalf of JK College Purulia, I welcome you all in this online inauguration of our e-journal, Pigments, belongs to Department of English. Actually, I want to thank our IQAC team for giving chances to our students for bringing out their creativity, not only in this journal, but in all other forms. In this pandemic situation, still we are trying to bringing their creativity in all respect. And in pigments, we'll see their performance very soon after inauguration. Thank you all, and thank you IQAC for taking this initiative. Thanks to respected Professor Ghoshal for accepting our invitation. With thanking all, I am concluding my lecture. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your nice welcome address. As you know, Dr. Ashok Kumar Agarwal, our dear IQAC coordinator and one faculty member of Department of English, and of course, the editor-in-chief of this e-journal is with us. So he will just say what is there in this journal and how the idea came into his mind and other things. So Professor Agarwal, if you please.
Thank you, Dr. Panda. Very good afternoon to one and all present here, especially Dr. Ghoshal and our principal, sir, Dr. Shantanu Chattopadhyay, all my dear respected colleagues, and all my very dear students. In fact, it gives me tremendous pleasure, great pleasure, in fact, that we are able to successfully come out with the second edition of, or rather second volume of Pigments, an e-journal, where we have tried to give an opportunity, a platform to all our students present as well as past. Some ex-students also were included here. And I think that by successfully giving them this platform, what we have been doing is, in this difficult phase of our life, we are providing them with an opportunity to speak out, to express themselves. And in fact, I always believe that a challenge is also an opportunity. How you take it, how you react and respond to it, on that depends whether the challenge remains only a challenge or whether it turns into an opportunity. I must thank all my students who very spontaneously responded to my request to them to come out, do something, write, paint, talk, take a snap, and forget about their language restrictions. They can write in English, they can write in Hindi, they can write in Bengali. The most important thing is express yourself as you wish to express, in whatever mode, in whatever manner possible. And that's exactly what they tried to do. There are some brilliant pieces in this particular volume, and there may not be everything that is of equal importance or equal merit, but I sincerely feel, and I honestly feel, in fact, that when you give this kind of an opportunity to students who are the budding artists, well, nobody knows what ultimately might happen to them and how finally they might flourish and blossom out in future. And IQAC has been all the time trying in different ways, in fact, to bring out the best and to bring out the latent talent that is there in our members of the staff as well as in our students. আমার মনে হয় আমাদের এই যে নামকরণ পিগমেন্টস, as many of you must be knowing, এই যে বিভিন্ন রকমের রঙের সমাহার ঘটেছে এখানে, আমাদের জীবনের বহুমুখিতা তাতে ধরা পড়েছে, এবং এটাই আমাদের আনন্দ। আমাদের মধ্যে প্রফেসর ঘোষাল আছেন, আমরা তার কাছেও অনেক কিছু শুনবো, জানবো। সুতরাং খুব আনন্দের দিন, ছেলে মেয়েদের কাছে আনন্দের দিন, আমাদের সবার কাছে আনন্দের দিন। And let us together enjoy it and celebrate it. Thank you everybody.
থ্যাংক ইউ প্রফেসর আগরওয়াল। স্যার যেটা বললেন, IQAC তে আমরা স্টুডেন্টদের দিকে লক্ষ্য রেখে কাজ করার চেষ্টা করছি। And after all, we are here for our students. Without them, we are nothing. So, এখানে এসে আমরা টেস্টটাকে একটু চেঞ্জ করব। আমরা আমাদের ইংলিশ অনার্স ইংলিশের MA তে সেকেন্ড সেমের সূচনা ব্যানার্জিকে ডেকে নেব তার একটি মিষ্টি গানের জন্য। হতে পারতো এটা ইনঅগারাল সং, কিন্তু সবাইকে ওয়েলকাম করার পর আমার মনে হয়েছে যে সে যে গানটি গাইতে চলেছে সেটি হয়তো আজকের এই প্রোগ্রামের আমরা যা চাই, সকলের মধ্যে উৎসাহ, সকলের মধ্যে প্রাণ, সেই প্রাণকে এনে দেবে। সূচনা, তুমি আছো কি? সূচনা?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just. Suchana is MA second sem, right?
At this moment, I
Yes,
think
sir.
she is in the third sem now.
Okay. So go ahead, Suchana.
Yes, sir. Third sem. Sure. Good evening, teachers. Am I audible?
Yeah, perfectly audible, Suchana.
Okay, sir. প্রাণ ভরে তৃষা হরে মোরে আরো 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 দাও প্রাণ, প্রাণ ভরে তৃষা হরে মোরে আরো 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 দাও প্রাণ, তব ভুবনে তব ভবনে মোরে আরো 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 দাও স্থান, মোরে আরো 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 দাও প্রাণ, প্রাণ ভরে তৃষা হরে মোরে আরো 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 দাও প্রাণ। সুরে সুরে বসে আরো 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 দাও মোরে আরো 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 দাও আরো ভয় তৃষা হরে মোরে আরো 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 দাও। বেদনা আরো বেদনা আরো চেতনা দ্বার ছুটায় মাথা টুকায় মোরে করো চান, মোরে করো চান। আরো বেদনা প্রভু দাও মোরে আরো চেতনা, দ্বার ছুটায় বাধা টুটায়, মোরে করো ত্রাণ, মোরে করো ত্রাণ। আরো প্রেমে, আরো প্রেমে মোরা ডুবে যাক নেমে, আরো প্রেম কালো ঘরে শহরে মোরে আরো আরো হারিয়ে।
Thank you.
Thank you, Sujana. Thank you, Sujana. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
Sadhu. Thank you.
আর শুন
হ্যাঁ শোনা গেছে, অসুবিধা নেই। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
হ্যাঁ
হ্যাঁ
হ্যাঁ
একটু ল্যাগিং হচ্ছিল, টাইম ল্যাগ হচ্ছিল, কিন্তু আসল জায়গাটা ঠিক ধরেছো সূচনা। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ।
থ্যাংক
It
ইউ।
was very beautiful. Your voice is such a beautiful
Thank you,
thing.
ওকে, তো
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
প্রোগ্রামটাকে এগিয়ে নিয়ে যাই। তো আমরা অলমোস্ট মেন পার্টেই আছি প্রোগ্রামের। So now the inaugural part. Professor Ghoshal, sir, am I audible to you?
Yes, yes, you're audible.
Okay. Sir, actually I am from science background, and when Professor Agarwal told me that I have to compare this session, then I had some kind of research on you, and then I came up with some data. I don't know whether this data is actually correct or not, but if something is wrong, please let me know. Okay, sir. So Professor Ghoshal has served the Department of English, Vishwabharati, in capacity of professor for almost 25 years. He is a leading Sri Aurobindo scholar from Eastern India, and his research involves Sri Aurobindo prose, poetry and drama, Tagore's poetry and songs, Shakespeare characters and poetry from the point of view of consciousness, Indian poetry in English, Old and New School, 19th century British and American literature. And Professor Ghoshal was the chief editor of the Vishwabharati Quarterly from 2005 to 2007. His major books include The Rainbow Bridge, a comparative study of Tagore and Sri Aurobindo, Sri Aurobindo's prose style, Sri Aurobindo and world literature, notes on prayers and meditation, notes on the Renaissance, Indian literature, points of view, and Magic Mirror and other poems. Professor Ghoshal has published more than 200 papers and articles in various journals, especially on Sri Aurobindo and other Indian English poets. In 2009, he was awarded Nolini Kanta Gupta Award, and at present, he is working as a visiting professor of Vishwa Bangla University. With this small introduction, I would like to invite Professor Ghoshal sir to raise the curtain of the e-journal. And I would request Ashok Da to read out something from the present issue of this journal. And meanwhile, I will share the screen with you. And the e-journal will be there for all of you. So please give me some time. Yeah, this is the cover page of this journal. Is it visible to all of you?
It's beautiful.
Yes, sir.
It's beautiful. Sangyukta, can you mail me the link?
Of the book, sir?
No, of the meeting.
of the meeting. I have mailed you both the links, sir. YouTube and the you can see it in your mail. I have mailed you. I will.
Okay.
Sorry,
Because
in your
I want to
WhatsApp.
shift to. No, not. Have you mailed? Have you mailed me?
No, sir. I have not mailed you. Can you send
If
me your?
not, then just mail me.
Okay, I'll
Okay,
mail you. Just
I'm
give me your
transferring.
email.
It's gghosal87@gmail.com.
Ghoshal87 gmail.com. Okay.
gghosal87@gmail.com.
GHOSL87 at the rate gmail.com.
Yes.
Ghosal87 at the rate gmail.com. That's it?
G Ghosal.
G Ghosal. G for Gautam. Okay.
G Ghosal
Okay.
87
I'm sending you the link.
Okay.
At the rate gmail.com. I'm sending you the mail, sir.
Okay. I will shift to my
This is
tab.
the content. Okay. Sir, I think this is more than 50 pages of.
Around 60 pages.
Okay.
Let Professor Ghoshal declare it open.
So I declare it open.
Yeah, there should be a clapping. Yeah. See, there are a number of poems in English as well as in Bengali. There are some prose pieces. There are some beautiful drawings and paintings. There are some excellent camera snaps. And most importantly, there are expressions of our dear young students, of their mind, of their emotions, expressing sometimes their frustration. Look at this particular picture. See the color combination. And the very front page, and in fact, the very cover that we have made of the this e-journal. I would request Professor Panda to show me that first page. Yeah, pigments. Look at this, colors of joy out of the mires of darkness.
Anirban, please make it full page, full screen.
Okay, let me.
Please make it full screen actually.
Okay. Can you please give me 2 minutes?
Yeah.
Your page is so beautiful. I could not help myself.
Yes, Kakuli Mondol, now at this moment reading in semester 5 undergraduates. She has painted it and we have selected it as our front cover. And my youngest colleague, Shongyukta Chattopadhyay, helped me a lot in designing this entire e-journal. Yes, I would like to
Is it okay now?
yeah.
Perfect.
So mark it here, colors of joy out of the mires of darkness. Beautifully written and lovely painting. Just please flip through. Go ahead. I would like to share, if you allow, I would like to share some particular points in the editorial. Can they be zoomed?
Let me check.
Can you make the fonts bigger? Yeah. Now it is okay.
Is it readable from your part?
It's readable.
Okay.
See, actually, market here, I said in my editorial, there is a constraint, there's a constant risk of lazing out in the present scenario, not in the sense of Bertrand Russell's essay in praise of idleness, and more of oversleeping and overeating, provided you are financially well off. Most damagingly, many of us have been started doubting our own worth or purpose of life. But then every challenge almost invariably opens up opportunity to explore your innate qualities, assert your resilience, and lend wings to your imagination. Well, just talk to yourself and let others have a peek. Play with colors, actual or virtual, and lo, we have another volume of pigments. Okay, so move ahead. Move ahead. And I would like just to bring to the notice, move ahead, Anirban. Move ahead, keep on moving. Come straight to page 23. Come straight to page 23. Yeah. There is a poem by Annapurna Singh, undergraduate, semester 4, now in semester 5. And I would like to share this poem especially for all the students and my dear colleagues, as well as Professor Ghosal. Annapurna is a brooding, great, I would say, she has a tremendous potential. She wrote in this, if there are only 2 lines that you feel like writing, do it. And trust me, they could be imperfect as shit, lacking rhyme and meter, or anything extraordinary said by your English teacher. If those 2 imperfect lines hold your emotion and you feel relieved to have finally let them out through words, do it and you'll feel great because it has you in it, pure and unbiased. If you are worried that you will never notice what you write, still do it, and do it till you feel that every ounce of your choked up imagination floats on that page that you have been stuffing inside you for year after year. Do it for yourself. Do it because it matters. It truly matters. Yes, Annapurna, brilliantly conveyed. It truly matters if only we can express ourselves. Move ahead. Please come to page 29 now. I have just selected some glimpses. Mark it here. This is a brilliant kind of a sketch. I would request everybody to pay attention. Look at the depth of the sketch. Nikita Das, of our postgraduate, studying at this moment in the 3rd semester, look at the detail of the painting. And then in page 30, there is a lovely expression about the concern for our earth and environment. Yes, go ahead now. Come to page 36. Page 36, Anirban. Yeah. And here Neela, another undergraduate student, she is talking about the present scenario of the pandemic in which a lot of people died. এই মৃত্যু মিছিল থামবে কবে, ক্রন্দন নিখিল শান্ত হবে, অগ্নিচিতা নিভে গিয়ে ধ্বংসলীলা ক্ষান্ত হবে। মুখোশধারী মানুষগুলোর কবে আবার বোধ জাগবে, শ্রেষ্ঠত্বের দাবি ছেড়ে পৃথিবীকে আবার ভালোবাসবে। এই পৃথিবীর কানায় কানায় হিংসা দেশের মারণ ব্যাধি কবে আবার নির্মূল হয়ে সুস্থ জগৎ গড়বে। বিকৃত মানসিকতার জঞ্জাল কবে সরবে, মানুষ এসে মানুষের পাশে কবে ভালোবেসে হাত ধরবে। আসন পদবীর কাড়াকাড়ি খেলা কবে হবে নিঃশেষ, মানুষের প্রাণের কদর বুঝবে, এই নির্মমতা হবে শেষ। বিপর্যয়ের ব্যবসা ছেড়ে মানুষ দাঁড়াবে মান হুঁশ নিয়ে, কাঁধে কাঁধ মিলিয়ে চলবে আবার জীবন গানে তাল মিলিয়ে। অন্ধ সমর্থকের রাজত্ব আর কতদিন ঘিরে থাকবে, মিথ্যে ভাষণের মায়াজাল ছিঁড়ে কবে মানুষ জাগবে, কবে মানুষ জাগবে। And then I would like to, from here, this is actually, more of frustration and depression, right? Neela is talking about how we are power hungry and how we are ignoring many such things. And now I come to a very optimistic and a beautifully expressed poem of hope in page 55. In page 55, this is Rokeya Khatun, once again UG semester 5 at this moment. When she wrote it, she was in semester 4. And the title is Shob Thik Hoye Jabe. Beautifully written poem. একদিন সব ঠিক হয়ে যাবে, আবার আমরা মাস্কের আড়াল টপকে খিলখিলিয়ে হেসে উঠবো একসঙ্গে, আবার আমরা হাতে হাত রেখে কথা দেব একে অপরকে। একদিন সব ঠিক হয়ে যাবে, আবার আমরা একসঙ্গে হেঁটে যাব চেনা শহরের গলি ধরে, বিকেল নামলেই ছুটে যাব সাহেব বাঁধের পাড়ে, কচুরি পানাময় ব্যথাগুলোকে ভাগ করে নিতে। কোনো এক অচেনা দুপুরে হঠাৎ দেখা হয়ে যাবে ট্রেনের কামরায়, একদিন সব ঠিক হয়ে যাবে। আবার আমরা সন্তোষ কাকুকে ফুচকায় ঝাল দিতে বলে ততক্ষণে ঘুরে আসবো বাইপাসের রাস্তাটা চক্কর কেটে, আবার আমাদের আড্ডা বসবে ক্যান্টিনের টেবিল জুড়ে। আবার আমরা ঘটা করে পালন করব 25শে বৈশাখ প্রজাতন্ত্র শিক্ষক দিবস। আবার শীত এলেই মেলার ঢল নামবে শিলাবতী কংসাবতীর তীরে, একদিন সব ঠিক হয়ে যাবে। শুধু এবার খানিক সামলে নিতে হবে নিজেদের, কিছু কথা দিতে হবে, কিছু কথা রাখতে হবে। ইঁদুর দৌড়ের মিথ্যে প্রতিযোগিতায় না ছুটে এবার খানিক শান্ত হয়ে বসতে হবে, আরেকটু আগলে রাখতে হবে, আরেকটু গুছিয়ে নিতে হবে পৃথিবীটাকে। চেনা অচেনা মানুষগুলোকে এক সুতোয় বাঁধতে হবে, ঘৃণার চাষ না করে মানুষকে ভালোবাসতে হবে, মানুষের পাশে গিয়ে দাঁড়াতে হবে, তাহলেই একদিন সব ঠিক হয়ে যাবে, সব ঠিক হয়ে যাবে। Beautiful. And Anirban, just flip through and show some snaps. Brilliant snaps are taken. Yeah, it's one of the brilliant snaps. Yes, move ahead.
শরতের কাজগুলো ভর্তি।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, এই দেখুন, just look at this picture, beautiful.
Actually a combination picture, that's why I placed it right after the one that is previous to it.
Yeah.
She has taken a beautiful snap in a moment.
Look at this.
See,
Look
this
at
is
this.
this is
Look
this
at
is
this.
the
Look at the innocent joy. How expressive and how beautifully captured. Yeah, Move ahead. Yeah. Look at this. This is Puri Beach, where majority of us want to go and not are able to go, are not able to go now. Yes. কাশ, এখন সত্যি সত্যি চারদিকেই কাশে ভরা। So this is our pigments, various colors.
Okay, Ashok da?
Yeah, that's okay. Now over to you, Professor Ghoshal.
So that was lovely and quite unexpected in its class. Both the pens, the poems. The poem that Rokia wrote is in fact outstanding. Can you hear me properly?
Yes, sir.
And that photograph of the bridge in the twilight, everything is marvelous. And talking of this, the value of this or the necessity of this e-journal is that we have to move towards a finer consciousness through aesthetics. Because the ethical, we know the ethical, and we can't just sermonize. People don't listen to us if we go on sermonizing. But the best way to get an entry into a wider consciousness, which will lead us to three things simultaneously, as we read in Whitman's poetry: a deepening of consciousness, a widening of consciousness, and a heightening of consciousness. These three things are simultaneously happening in the poetry of Whitman and Sri Aurobindo. And these things are possible only through aesthetics, through poetry, of course, and through pens, because religion is otherworldly. Philosophy is abstraction. I am not speaking against the philosophy departments or the religious departments. I mean, they are abstractions, and religion, first it is divisive, it divides, and then it is otherworldly, it takes us to another world. So we have to go for a deeper thing, a deeper consciousness, which is synonymous with spirituality. And so through such kinds of exercise, through literature, we can think of changing our consciousness, our lifestyle, when life itself will become a beautiful piece of art. And if, as Sri Aurobindo has said in chapter 4 of the Life Divine, that if one person is liberated in a lonely corner of the globe, then the entire world is going to be affected by that. So that is the power of the individual and the growth of the individual. And as I have referred to Rokia's poem, that shows a very finer consciousness. And poetry, of course, is the highest form of art. It is, as the Rig Veda, as we learn from the Rig Veda, it is the divine Agni, the fire, and it purifies. And only poetry or art can link the finite and the infinite. So I would request the editors to encourage the students and the teachers to write as much poetry as possible, because I'm not dismissive about the poetry that is being written these days, but we must keep trying to reveal what is inside us, the deepest zones of our being. And only through poetry we can do that. And this exercise will lead to the refinement of consciousness. So this e-journal is extremely important, and I'm really fascinated by the quality. Sangyukta is my favorite student. And when she just called me to come, I agreed instantly. And the other thing is that Purulia is one of my favorite cities in West Bengal. And there was a time in the 90s when I joined Shantiniketan. I used to go to Purulia twice every month to give talks in the local Sri Aurobindo Center. There are two centers. We have two centers in the city. One is beside the district library in the town, and the other is in Wilcox Road. That is a marvelous center. Unfortunately, the builder who planned and who initiated, he is no more with us. And still Purulia continues to be, and JK College used to be my favorite haunt. In the evening, I would always walk alongside JK College to have a view of the faraway Ajodhya Hills. I think it is visible from there, some of the peaks. Some peaks are visible from there, as far as I remember. And there was my teacher in the college. He was like my teacher, Professor Chattopadhyay, who is no more with us, who taught in the JK College. And it was fascinating, in fact. Now, these days it has become more congested. But the town still has plenty of things which can give us materials for literature and poetry. So I would appreciate and have all good wishes for this e-journal, and specifically stressing on my view that more and more we should encourage poets, because poetry can change our consciousness. So with that, I end my talk, and thank you very much for inviting me.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. And I think your inspiring words will surely give us impetus for moving forward.
I just want to add one thing here.
Yeah, Professor.
Professor Ghoshal, perhaps you would be very happy to note, given that you talked about heightening and widening our consciousness, you would be very happy to know that IQAC has also taken an initiative to meet every day for around 20 minutes in the evening for a collective meditation session.
Oh, that's wonderful.
And in fact, many of our students who have joined this particular inauguration, they are there along with some of my colleagues, and even sometimes principal gets some time to join there. And we try exactly what you have been suggesting here. So we are trying, and with blessings of all of you and God, I think we will definitely help us, including our students, to heighten our consciousness. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vasudha. And anybody wants to add something with this?
Yeah, I think Anirban, if it is, it would be a welcome thing if any of the students would like to share a few words.
Yeah, that's the main thing.
Any student present here would like to say something? I'm not sure.
Don't be shy.
Yeah. This is a great opportunity to just speak out, as you have done in the e-journal brilliantly. Yes, Shonali, Kakoli.
আরে বাংলাও বলো তাও ঠিক আছে, বাংলাও
হ্যাঁ
বলো।
হ্যাঁ, ইংরেজি না হলে বাংলায় বলো, কোনো ব্যাপার না। অঙ্কন আছো তো অঙ্কন বলো, অন্নপূর্ণা, নীলা।
তোমরা যারা কন্ট্রিবিউট করেছো তারা বলো।
অনির্বাণ,
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
বলছি কালকে আমাকে পাঠিয়ে দেবে, কাল আমি ওয়েবসাইটে ওয়াল আপ করে দেবো ওটাকে।
ঠিক আছে।
হুম।
Any student?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, who is there?
Annapurna.
Annapurna.
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
Fine. Can you-
Annapurna.
Is it possible for you to put your video on?
Mm,
If it is possible, fine. Otherwise, you carry on. No problem.
Is the one who wrote the poem, do it yourself.
Yeah. Annapurna, go ahead.
Yes, sir. So I would like to thank you all for giving us the opportunity to present our talents, else we won't have got a platform to showcase whatever we have written or created. And thanks for reading out some of our poems and made us feel really confident in what we do. That's all, sir. I am really happy that my poem got selected to be presented over here.
That is the quality of your writing, in fact. Thank you very much, Annapurna.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Anybody else?
Thank you, Annapurna.
Neela, Sonali.
Thank you for contributing. Thank you for contributing.
In fact, I think Annapurna's 3 poems are there in the e-journal, and also some of the snaps. Yes. Anybody else?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Kakuli. Is it Kakuli?
No, sir, Momita.
Momita. Fine. Carry on. Momita,
Yes, sir.
carry on. Yeah.
Yes, sir. At first, I want to thank you, all the sir and ma'am. Good afternoon. I'm very happy today to have you with us. And it is very, very much relatable that whatever the Professor Gautam Ghosal sir said, that only poetry can link the finite and infinite. It is very much relatable. So thank you, sir. Today, I am very happy. Thank you.
Yeah. Momita
Sir.
Momita is one of those students, Professor Ghoshal, who is fighting a great fight. You know, our women who are basically from the rural areas, they face many other obstacles, which even we cannot imagine properly. And she is one of the regular joiners in the meditation session. In fact, so I'm so happy. I feel really delighted that all they are not just my students, sir. They are like my children. So I'm so happy in their happiness.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Today I get this opportunity from your words that you say just before this session or ongoing this session, that express yourself, and which is very much helpful to me to say this. Thank you, sir.
Anyone else? Neela, Kakuli, Sonali, Omkon?
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yeah, Neela. Carry on, Neela.
So I would just like to add something that I really feel today very proud and be lucky to being a student of JK College, and especially of English department, and to have all the teachers like you. You always encourages us to do whatever we want and whatever we have in us. And about the e-journal, I would like to thank you, ma'am. You have really done a great job collecting all of our works, and all the teachers, and especially our today's guest, sir and Gautam sir. And I would really feel very great to listen to you and your valuable speech. So thank you all of my teachers, and thank you all of my
Yeah, that's nice.
And for your information, Songjukta is a very good poet.
That is yet to be revealed, sir. That is yet to be revealed. Sangeeta is gradually opening up.
Thank you. Thank you.
Gradually opening up.
Thank you. Thank you. Really, genuinely, thank you. মানে আপনি যে বলছেন স্যার এটা মানে আপনি বড় মানুষ হওয়ার জন্যই বললেন সো থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ
In a very short span of time, Professor Ghoshal, Sanjukta has joined only last year. And I think within 1 year, I feel great in having her as my colleague. In fact, she is even younger than my son or daughter. So she is more like my daughter than my. Anyway, so I'm very happy in having Sanjukta with me. Yes, Anirban, carry on now.
Well, Asakta, we are just almost at the end of the session, and now Samyukta will give us the vote of thanks. But before that, I would like to thank Samyukta for whatever she has done, because while she is giving us the vote of thanks, I think she will not say what she has done for this journal. She is sub-editor of this journal, and as Professor Agarwal said, she has given much time to make it a successful one. Well, Sangyukta, now the stage is yours, and I invite you for formal vote of thanks.
Thank you all and dear all. Since I have been assigned the onerous task of giving the vote of thanks on behalf of my college, this august institution, I would like to extend my warmest regards and sincerest gratitude to Professor Gautam Ghoshal, one of the kindest and most soft-spoken professors I had ever had the fortune of coming across. My gratitude also extends to our principal, Dr. Shantanu Chattopadhyay, whose constant encouragement invigorates us to take these creative undertakings with courage and conviction. In the same breath, I would like to thank my colleague and chief coordinator of our college's IQAC cell, Dr. Ashok Agarwal, sir. I would be remiss if I did not thank our technical support staff, brilliantly headed by Swastik. Lastly, this vote of thanks would be incomplete without thanking Dr. Anirban Panda, our anchor incomparable, for conducting this program so smoothly and elegantly. On a final note, I would like to add that